Every single day before I start my work day, I meditate for 30 to 40 minutes. And I think today I will impact people's lives in a positive way. I'm a station engineer for Sutter Health. You guys break it, I fix it. I still want to come to work every single day as it was my first day on the job when they hired me in '96. Just as exciting.
What gets me out of bed every morning is I really enjoy my job. My mom was a black nurse in the South in the 50s. So from a very early age, she talked to me about being a doctor. Okay, bye guys. See you tonight. Love you. Every day, the team at Sutter is stepping up, whether it's primary care, docs, the specialists, nurses, front desk, our MAs, the pharmacy.
When people think of a pharmacy, they just think of someone counting the pills. But here, what's so different is we actually spend maybe about 30 minutes when a patient's starting on their new oral chemotherapy. This is a deeply human interaction.
So I was happily an adult med-surg nurse. When my son was born, he had a pretty traumatic, complicated birth. His stay here made me change career paths into becoming a NICU nurse. I provided pretty unique experience for the other families here. I'm able to be in their shoes because I literally was in their shoes.
I always tell my kids, you practice how you play. You play how you practice. So I try to be diligent in everything I do, and I try to teach them the same thing. My job, it's like solving a puzzle. The patients don't see us, but we're always rooting them on. And if my small discovery in Epic helps a patient get discharged quicker, then everybody wins. All right, bye-bye.
I tend toward being a supportive type person. I take incredible pride in my work. Even though I'm just there to drop off equipment, I like to interact with the patients or the family members. I like this cleaner. It smells better than the other stuff. It doesn't smell like an antiseptic. It just smells nice. And I like to think that they're better off when I leave than when I showed up.
Healthcare is a team sport. Whether you're a doctor, whether you're in IT, engineering, nursing, pharmacy, all of us here at Sutter are here for patient care.
Sutter is the most dynamic place I've ever worked at. When you do the right thing, it's contagious.
What we're doing actually is changing people's lives.
I've been here going on 20 years, and every day I see people really working together.
I'm the one that raises his hand when people need time off, I'll cover. But Sutter has fostered that into all of us, that we are all part of a bigger picture.
People are pretty much the same, you know. They all are just trying to get along, live their lives, and if we can help them out just a little bit, just imagine the collective impact it's going to have. That to me is the power of one.